Hello, welcome to a new video. Did you know that your immune system never stops learning? That's right. Do you want to learn some more fascinating secrets about your immune system? Stay tuned for the 10 secrets of your immune system, because number 1 can be helpful. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. Let's dive in. Number 10, your body is a battleground. Did you know that you're constantly under attack? Not like an action movie kind of attack with explosions and gunfights, but rather with tiny invaders like bacteria, fungi, viruses, and parasites trying to get in. Every day your body is bombarded with millions of these pathogens, most of which are harmless. But some can cause diseases ranging from the common cold to more serious illnesses. Your immune system has evolved over millions of years to defend you against these attacks. It's a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to keep you healthy. From the skin that acts as a physical barrier to the lymph nodes that filter out invaders, every part of your immune system plays a vital role in keeping you alive. You can think of your body as a fortress, always under siege by an army of microscopic enemies. Luckily, you have an elite defense force ready to protect you at a moment's notice. So next time you feel a tickle in your throat or a sniffle in your nose, remember that your immune system is working overtime to keep you safe. Number 9, killer T cells. When it comes to fighting off infections, your immune system has a secret weapon, killer T cells. These specialized white blood cells are like the special forces of your immune system, trained to identify and eliminate threats with precision. Killer T cells can recognize specific antigens, which are like the identifying markers on pathogens, such as viruses and bacteria. Once they spot an invader, these cells release toxic chemicals that destroy the pathogen before it can do any harm. But killer T cells don't stop there. They also help to coordinate the rest of the immune response, making sure that other cells are where they need to be and doing what they need to do to fight off the infection. It's like having a military general on the battlefield, giving orders and making sure everyone is working together to win the war. Without killer T cells, our bodies would be defenseless against the constant barrage of pathogens we face every day. So next time you feel a cold coming on, just remember that these tiny cells are working hard to keep you healthy. Number 8, memory cells. Have you ever wondered how your body remembers past infections? Like after you've had chickenpox as a child, your body remembers the virus so that it can fight it off more quickly if you re-expose to it again. This is thanks to memory cells, a special type of white blood cell that's created when you're first exposed to a pathogen. These cells hang around in your body for years, ready to recognize the pathogen if it shows up again. If the same pathogen enters your body a second time, the memory cells are able to quickly identify it and trigger an immune response which helps to fight off the infection before it can take hold. This process is what's behind vaccinations. By exposing your body to a weakened or inactive version of a pathogen, vaccines can help your body create memory cells without causing you to get sick. Remember that you're giving your body the gift of memory, helping it to stay protected against future infections. Number 7, your gut microbiome. Did you know that you have a whole ecosystem of bacteria living in your gut? These bacteria, along with other microorganisms, make up your gut microbiome, which plays a critical role in your overall health. In fact, your gut microbiome is so important that it's been linked to everything from digestion to immunity. When it comes to immunity, your gut microbiome helps in a few key ways. First, the bacteria in your gut help to train your immune cells, teaching them to distinguish between harmless and harmful substances. This is important because it prevents your immune system from overreacting to things like pollen or dust, which can lead to allergies. Second, the bacteria in your gut produce substances that promote the growth and activity of immune cells. This helps to keep your immune system strong and ready to fight off infections. Finally, the bacteria in your gut compete with harmful bacteria for resources, which helps to prevent them from growing and multiplying. So next time you think about your gut, remember that it's not just a digestive system. It's also an important part of your immune system. Number 6, cytokines. Cytokines are small proteins that play a big role in your immune system. They're like the messengers that help coordinate the different cells and organs involved in the immune response. There are many different types of cytokines, and each one has a specific job to do. Some cytokines, like interferons, help to fight off viral infections by interfering with the virus's ability to replicate. Others, like tumor necrosis factor, help to kill cancer cells. Still others, like interleukins, help to regulate the immune response, making sure it's strong enough to fight off an infection, but not so strong that it causes damage to your own tissues. Unfortunately, cytokines can sometimes be harmful. For example, too much of a certain cytokine called interleukin-6 can lead to fever and inflammation, which can damage organs and tissues. But despite their potential downsides, cytokines are an essential part of your immune system and help to keep you healthy every day. Number 5, your skin. When you think of your immune system, you might picture a bunch of cells fighting off invaders in your body. But did you know that your skin is actually the first line of defense against infection? That's right. Your skin acts as a physical barrier, preventing pathogens like bacteria and viruses from entering your body in the first place. But your skin does more than just block invaders. It also produces substances that help to kill pathogens that manage to get past the physical barrier. For example, your skin produces an antimicrobial protein called defensin, which can kill bacteria and fungi. And if that's not enough, your skin is also home to a bunch of friendly bacteria that compete with harmful bacteria for resources, making it harder for the bad guys to take hold. So next time you feel the sun on your face or the breeze on your arms, take a moment to appreciate all the ways that your skin is keeping you healthy. Number 4, lymph nodes. These small, bean-shaped organs are an essential part of your immune system and are located all over your body, from your neck to your armpits to your groin. Lymph nodes are like the command centers of your immune system, where the cells that fight off infection gather and strategize. When pathogens like bacteria and viruses enter your body, your lymph nodes work overtime to identify and eliminate the threat. That's because lymph nodes contain special cells called lymphocytes, which recognize specific antigens or markers on pathogens. Once a lymphocyte recognizes an antigen, it activates other immune cells to help fight off the infection. But lymph nodes don't just house immune cells. They also filter the fluid that flows through them, removing waste and other potentially harmful substances. This helps to keep the rest of your body free from toxins and other dangers. So next time you feel a lump in your lymph nodes, take a moment to appreciate all the hard work they're doing to keep you healthy. Number 3, inflammation. Inflammation is a natural and necessary part of the immune response that occurs when your body is injured or infected. During inflammation, your immune system sends white blood cells and other substances to the site of injury, or infection, to help fight off the threat and repair damaged tissues. But inflammation can sometimes become chronic, meaning it lasts for a long time, even when there's no active infection or injury. Chronic inflammation can actually be harmful, contributing to a variety of health problems, including heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Fortunately, there are things you can do to reduce inflammation in your body, such as eating a healthy diet, exercising regularly, and managing stress. By taking care of your body and reducing inflammation, you can help keep your immune system functioning properly and reduce your risk of developing chronic diseases. Number 2, your immune system is adaptive. Your immune system has a remarkable ability to learn and adapt over time, which means that it becomes stronger and more effective at fighting off infections as you re-expose to new pathogens. This adaptability is made possible by a special type of white blood cell called a lymphocyte, which can recognize specific antigens on pathogens and create antibodies to neutralize the threat. The amazing thing about lymphocytes is that they have memory. After they encounter a pathogen for the first time, they remember it so that the next time the same pathogen enters your body, your immune system can mount a faster, more effective response. This is the principle behind vaccinations. By exposing your body to a weakened or inactive version of a pathogen, vaccines can help your immune system learn and create antibodies before you're exposed to the real thing. So the more you learn about your immune system, the more you realize just how lucky you are to have it on your side. Number 1, you can help your immune system. You may not be able to control all the factors that affect your immune system, but you can take steps to help keep it strong and functioning properly. One of the best things you can do is eat a healthy diet full of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These foods provide the nutrients your immune cells need to stay strong and healthy. Another important thing is to exercise regularly. Exercise helps to improve circulation and reduce stress, both of which can help boost your immune system. Finally, make sure to get enough sleep. Sleep helps to restore and rejuvenate your body, giving your immune system the energy it needs to stay healthy. By taking care of yourself and making healthy choices, you can help ensure that your immune system is ready to protect you from whatever comes its way. What was the most interesting fact? Let us know below in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.